Want to throw it down?
Sure. Steve and Jake here with Get Torqued. Today we're doing the oil pressure gauge, oil pressure sensor, boost gauge. We ran the lines last time. Today we're doing the actual gauge. A little bit of electrical work on our alternator. That's what we're digging into today then. And we already started. We gotta figure out which way we're gonna fix that elbow.
Need to find a ground. Should just ground it right to the battery. Do you think anybody would have an issue with running red wire as a ground? Okay.
The big boy. Don't get that any tighter. Unless I use the posts. See if you can palm the fuck out of that.
My hands are too big to fit in there. You know, you can get a wrench on it. Oh, it's loose.
Loose.
You don't have a wrench for the back of this?
Not here.
What size is it?
Bigger than you could imagine. Ah!
Should be a 3/4, but that's the only size that I have in my truck.
Might be. It's not, but it works.
Yeah. I don't know how tight.
Yep.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
I feel like I just keep going and going.
That's probably good. It's got RTV on it and it's pipe threaded, so
I'm gonna go a little bit more. Actually, no, I like the way there's.
the seats are condensated. Or something. A lot of condensation in the air here. How we doing there? What we got?
I was debating what we should do about
About what?
Go to the store and get little eyelets for it, or just wrap the bare wire around it and screw it down like they say. Little big thing. Little guy.
You had that this whole time?
I just looked what was in my emergency toolkit behind the seat.
I would be doing this, guys.
It was in there.
So this is good to go. You gotta figure out what those wires are for.
I know what they're all for. We only need 2 of them.
Word.
This one of the yellow is like, well no, we need the yellow one, but just gotta tie into the red one. Just lights up the display.
Are you quacking? like that's a long way for oil pressure to travel upwards.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, they don't see it down there.
Definitely hit the timing cover. Oh, I see it. It just stopped.
Yeah, it just spun the fan. Where's the other one? How much was in the car?
What? What?
The little stuff?
Yeah. Yeah, the corrugated shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was thinking we could do an edit. Where are you running this?
That line?
Like when you cut it to length, we'll throw it, and then we'll have it just be on. We'll do like a 10-second video. It'll just be like, you know. So just, once you measure it and cut it, we'll just throw it at the engine and film it.
Oh no. Can't find bag.
Oh boy, that's so flimsy, dude. Our hood is not gonna like us if we go past like 40 miles per hour.
So how do you want me to do this? Are you gonna stop filming and do something? Yeah, but are you gonna stop filming that to chew it? Or are you just gonna do it all in
No,
one?
because I'll incorporate that in some behind the scenes shit.
You just want me to throw it down?
Yeah, why are you ready?
Yeah. Alright. You wanna throw it down? Sure.
Alright. Now we're creators, see?
That's it. Now I'm just gonna put it together and then you're gonna take a picture of it?
Yeah, well, we'll take a video of it.
Probably won't even see it because it's just gonna blend right in.
Good? That's the idea. Go. Look at that.